Hello guys, today I am opening up this smart lock from SMONET. Ooh, it has a ton of features, okay? Well, first of all, it's key free, but if you want to use a key, there's a key. Okay, you can control through an app. It has auto lock, so you don't forget to lock your door. This is crazy. Okay, it has it support IC card and fingerprint as well. I'm not sure what it has in here, but these are the things that you can do with it. It's crazy cool for a fraction of the price, because I was looking at the ones at Lowe's and Home Depot. They were like $200-300, and this one it might have like less features, okay, but this one has more feature and it's cheaper, so that's why I wanna test it out. So here is the lock manual. Oh, this is really cool. You know why? Because you can actually use this and then just draw out the holes on your door and cut it to the very precise measurement. Okay, so it should be all in the manual. You can follow it. Okay, and it has 1 year warranty. Cool, awesome. But let's take a look inside here. This is what I'm so excited about. Okay, wow, cool. Okay, I'm digging it. So you have an actual screwdriver to work with. That's cool. So this piece right here is magnetic, I think. Yeah, it is magnetic. That's awesome. So you can actually use it without, you know, buying one or looking for one. Okay, so here is the deadbolt. This is the part where you put it inside. Okay, I assume this is where you put all your battery, I assume. So let's open it up. Let me see if I can open it up. Yep, there you go. So here's your battery slot, and that's how it operates. Okay, looks cool. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Okay, so this is the panel right here. This is the part where you facing it outside. Okay, and this is the fingerprint. You can register your fingerprint on the application when you have everything like connected and stuff. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so it's looking good. Let's see what else it has. So basically this one doesn't have, I don't think this one has a lock. Okay, so here's the keys. So wait a minute, so how do you use the key? Okay, so let's see, what is this one? Oh, okay, so there's a USB port underneath here. So how do you use the key if you don't have a lock? Okay, so it's quite interesting because you see the 2 pin right here. You can use the 2 pin. You just pinch it in. I think there's a key in here that you can use right here. You just pinch, and then this is gonna pop out. That's really cool. So so it looks better if you don't use the key, or you attach this to your key, your car keys, your keychains, whatnot, and that would resolve that issue. But it looks better if you have it covered like this. I'd say, you know, most of the time you're not going to use the key if you have everything already charged, and you have your fingerprint or your pin set up. It's all in the manual. I'm not going to go through and install this on my door right now because of the limitation on the video that I have to upload. But if you would like to see the video, I can do a separate video. I will put it on YouTube or something like that. But you know, as of now, it just show you how it works and how it looks. Pretty cool that they included the key change with you. So this is kind of like, hey, I'm gonna use this, tap it, and then this is gonna unlock. That's really cool. So this is one for me and one for my wife. This is awesome. It has every single feature that we are looking for, like basically everything, anything that we needed. Okay, so there you go. Looks really nice. There's a screen protector here. You can peel it off. Fingerprint, key to open, pin, or use this unlock key that they have attached here, and then just tap it, and then it opened the lock for you. Awesome, cool. That's all I have for you guys. Sorry I can't go any longer because of limitation how long of the video that I can publish on Amazon here. And basically you have everything. They even include a drill for you. Look at that drill, the pin, okay, and magnetic Phillip. You have everything here to install it. Okay, enjoy. I hope this helped for you. Oh, I think this is a speaker or something. Could be. But anyway, it's awesome. I can't wait to install it. If you need help, let me know.